Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to stop Roblox from crashing. First, let's ensure your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Next, verify that your device meets Roblox's minimum system requirements, which typically include a processor from at least 2005, 512 megabytes of RAM, and a graphics card supporting DirectX 9. Finally, close any unnecessary background applications to free up valuable system resources for Roblox. Keeping your software up to date is crucial. Make sure your graphics drivers are the latest version from your manufacturer's website. An outdated driver can cause significant performance issues. Also, ensure your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or another, has all the latest updates installed. Sometimes, a fresh installation of Roblox itself can resolve persistent crashing problems, ensuring you have the most current game files. Optimizing your in-game settings can make a big difference. Try lowering Roblox's graphics quality settings to a lower level, like 1 or 2 out of 10, to reduce the strain on your system. Clearing the Roblox cache files can also fix issues caused by corrupted data. You can usually find these in your app data folder. Additionally, reducing the game's resolution can significantly decrease the load on your graphics card. For more advanced troubleshooting, temporarily disable any third-party antivirus or firewall software, as they can sometimes interfere with Roblox. You might also try running Roblox in compatibility mode, especially if you are using an older operating system. If after trying all these steps, Roblox continues to crash, it might be time to consider upgrading your hardware, such as your graphics card or RAM, for a smoother experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.